Today, we're gonna make kimchi pad thai. Usually you soak the noodles in cold water, but if you don't want to wait, just boil it. Remember this texture. Stir fry the ingredients in medium heat and make sure they don't burn. We didn't want to crush the tofus, so we tilted the pan and fried the tofus in oil without stirring too much. While waiting, feel free to push the like button and subscribe. Pour in a right amount of oil and make some space for scrambled eggs. Now mix them together. The new ingredients may seem dry, then add in some oil. Now turn off the fire and cook the bean sprouts in the remaining heat. Kimchi pad thai.